So I just picked up this Super Duty. This is actually the second Super Duty I've owned, and I had real good luck with these trucks. I like it a lot, but Ford F250s are kind of an old man truck, and there's a lot of stuff I don't like about this, so we're gonna change it.
Yucky bucky boo.
Put some really ugly welds on these, and then I'm gonna weld this nut out to these pieces, and then this bolt will bolt through the side of the box. On the inside, obviously, where there's already holes. Okay, got my headache rack mounted, got it all welded up. Now I just got to get this light bar on there. Found some old piece of square tube. There it is. Now I just gotta run all the wires. See how much I need. Go up to the light, across the back of the cab. Turn the key on, you get those LEDs, the light's not on yet, and then I have it on the very first switch. You see there's an additional light that lets you know it's on, and the light's on. Those horns are nearly impossible to get to. I ended up putting them in a different spot than factory. Let's see, here they are. So got new LED headlight bulbs to go in the new headlights. So on these Fords, you can pop this inner can out, and then you see there's a plug in there to unplug the MAF. And this comes out of the outer shell. This guy's just plugged in here, so you can discard that. Into the new one. what a turd. That bad boy. Nice, nice. Make sure I got all my tools out of there. Replaced with an LED and a smoke lens. Okay, so we got the new grill, new lights, new mirrors. This truck is the V10 gas engine, and it has one of those MagnaFlow old guy chambered mufflers, which is starting to look extremely rusty. And I really don't like the way it sounds. It's very like hollow and tingy. And I had a F-150, it was green, that I had this really nice Flowmaster on, which is a glass pack muffler. I don't know if you probably can't see in there, but it is a perforated and packed muffler. And after a series of unfortunate events with that truck, I now have this muffler available. See what it sounds like without the muffler at all, and then we'll get the new muffler installed. The power! Oh my goodness. Caca all over my camera now. First we need to get the old muffler cut off. Oh my goodness, that thing's heavy. Gonna work there. It'll slip in there. Before I get too carried away with welding, see what it sounds like without a muffler. That's very loud. Alright, got that all welded up. I'm not going to zoom in and show you my welds because they're terrible. The important thing is it's welded. It's strong, and it'll work. Fire it up and see what it sounds like. That sounds pretty good. I think that Warren's taking it for a ride. Alright, definitely sounds like it's got a little throaty or idle. I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear from the cabin, but we're going to take it for a little test drive and see if it sounds any different. Sounds pretty good. Let's try and see with the windows up, how bad is it in the cab? Oh, there's a fox. Alright, rolling the windows up.